Nobody likes watching live videos that keep either lagging, buffering, or is low in resolution. These quality issues can be extremely frustrating and can leave viewers with a poor view about the brand. That's why you need high-quality live streaming. Here you will know all the technicalities you need to make to produce the best live video content. First, choose the right equipment. Using average-grade cameras and microphones will not bring forth quality streams, it will only result in average video quality. If you're looking to present professional live streams, you have to invest in professional live streaming equipment to provide a top-notch user experience. High-end camera. A good quality camera will provide good quality video right at the time of video capture. Professional mic. A professional mic can record noise-free crystal clear sound. Adjust light settings. Live streaming in low light conditions makes it difficult for viewers to watch. Use professional studio lights for live stream. Choose the right video platform. Choose a professional live streaming platform that provides end-to-end support. Use high-speed internet connection. For high-quality hassle-free broadcast, you need a speed and steady internet connection. Take a look at the video bitrate. Adaptive bitrate streaming allows the users to watch the highest usable quality video based on the viewer's internet speed. Adjust your encoder settings. It converts your live video into digitally compatible formats that can be streamed over the internet. Choose optimal resolution. A good optimal resolution provides a clear image without being too big to transmit without lagging. If you are looking for a professional live streaming solution including the availability of all these features, Muvi Live is the right solution for you.
Muvi Live gives you everything that you need for a professional live streaming solution. What are you waiting for? Take a free trial now.